Hello, I'm Chris. Welcome to this new Kajabi tutorial. Today I want to show you one of my favorite tricks to create a hero section or another section like this with text and then a photo. And this section will be fully responsive. So when you change or when you see your page on mobiles, it will look like this. You have the text and you have the photo below. So you don't have to add a complete background with the photo or duplicate the section for mobiles. So you can have just one section for both desktop and mobile devices. So let me show you. First, you have to have your photo without background. Or when you upload this photo, you have to upload it without blank spaces. Okay, I recommend you export this photo. If you export it or edit it on Canva, edit it with without the spaces surrounding. Okay, so let's go to Kajabi. Let me show you my Kajabi. So I'll be working on this hero section. So I already created this section and I have to go to the section. So I have here my text and my photo. So for the text, you will need like, I think six can be. And then a photo here can be six as well, and then let's choose a photo I have here. I think I have it here, so it's this the photo. So I have the photo uploaded. Let it charge. Okay, so I have my photo here. I will need to add my background. So for this, I will use a background photo. Can be also a color, but whatever you want. So let me choose my photo here. Okay, so now I have both. So if you see, I have this blank space below my photo, so I don't want this. So let's click on my section, click here, and then go to desktop and add 0 below. So you have your section. Let me save it because sometimes I don't know why we see the section twice. Okay, now it's working. So you have to add 0 here and then click on your photo and erase this and go to desktop and check on make the photo flush. And that's it. It's really easy. You can erase the space here because we want this a little bit more centered. So with 0 or maybe 20 or whatever. And then let me add my CTA here. And this is how you'll have your heroes section created really easy. Let me show you how this looks on mobile. So let's see if we have to change something. Yeah, we have to change it. So for example, my text will be centered. This is something that you can do here. And my photo, I want the photo the same. I don't want this blank space here. So click on the section, go to mobile and add a 0 here. So now you have a beautiful hero. Let's save it and let me show you how it looks. It will be completely responsive. So this is how it looks. If you see, you have your photo here and you have your text, and it's beautiful because you don't have empty spaces below. Let me show you the other devices. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. So thank you so much for watching this video. You have a gift on the description, so please check it and let me know your questions, or if you try this tutorial, you can also send me a screenshot or whatever. I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye bye.